Hayung by Baksa Tripura Hasibo Boram Rui Hard De Palajaka Agotala Puraga Bobono Pandao Paimanzaka Sakham Montri Sudip Bormon Bono Kare Sakham Bedini Tang Pang Yagbara Topon Kumar Das Sakham Bedini Tang Pang Chinmoy Bishwas Akono Kubi Kubundo Pandao Kognar Tani Sakham Montri Sudip Bormon Saka Sarno Kaham Kurung Tonna Hunke Kaham Sanani Nangnai Te Abo Sapsutra Da Abure Pashimbo Nahana Nangnai Hune Boshaka
The technical session ahead of you. I hope there is a technical session. Will evolve something on this eventful day, that is the World Heart Day, so as to ensure that we the people benefit out of it. Whatever deliberation will take place in today's program, it will be well publicized by the media. What are the points the people should follow? The instruction from main speakers like Doctor from Apollo and others who are in the dais. Probably that might raise the awareness campaign and the people to take care of their heart, because we need to have a healthy heart for a better living in this beautiful world. With these few words, I thank the Apollo hospitals and our NHM